Good morning, everyone. Take your Tinker Book 1 and open page number 50. Welcome in your GK class. Today, our topic is parts of the body. Parts of body with their name. So, let's start. This is a point of eyebrow. This is a eyebrow. 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 Eye. 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 This is the point of eye. Nose. 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 Mouth. 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 Lip. 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 Shoulder. SHOULDER. This is the point of shoulder. Thumb. This is a thumb. 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 Leg. This is the point of leg. 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 Toe. 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 This is a point of forehead. 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 Ear. 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 Cheek. 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 Teeth. 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 Chin. This is the point of chin. 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 Chest. CHEST. This is the point of chest. Tummy. 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 Wrist. This is the point of wrist. 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 This is the point of nail. 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 Knee. 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 This is the point of ankle. 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 This is the foot point. FOOT. Foot. Then come on the next page, which is page number 51. Let's start. Neck. 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 This is the point of arm. 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 This is the point of hand. 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 This is the point of waist. 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 This is the hair. 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 This is the head. 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 Back. 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 Elbow. 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 Finger. 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 This is the point of bottom. 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 This is a heel. 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 So student, this is the part of bodies. This is the parts of body with their name. recognize it and learn it, and through page number 50 and 51 complete page number 52 and page number 53. This is your homework. Read the labels, match them to the parts of the body in the picture by drawing lines. And second point, look at the picture, write the names of the parts of the body. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.